3D shapes or solid shapes are those shapes which you can touch, you can feel. You can see these solid shapes around yourself. You are using them daily. You all are using these solid shapes, right? So daily we all are using these solid shapes, and these solid shapes have certain properties, like they have edges, faces, and vertices. They have edges, faces, and vertices. Now, what are solid shapes? What are edges? What are faces? And what are vertices? We will learn about that. Okay. So, solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Right? So, what we'll do, I'll show you few shapes. I'll show you few shapes, few solid shapes. Then you have to tell me some example of that shape. Okay. So we'll start with cube. We'll start with cube. So, okay. So I have a cube here. Like I have this container in my hand, this box, and it's a cube shape object. It's a cube shape object. So a cube shape object will have all its faces equal. All its faces equal. This means all sides will be equal in length, right? So I'll tell you about its properties. That this flat surface is known as the face. This flat surface is known as the face of the cube. So how many faces are there in a cube? One, this bottom face, then two, this top face, then three, side face, then four, another side face, then front face 5, and then back face 6. So a cube has 6 square faces. A cube has 6 square faces. All its faces are equal. All its faces are equal. That's why we say that a cube has 6 square faces. Okay, a cube has 6 square faces. All right. Again, we'll count 1 top face, then 2 bottom face, then 3 front face, then 4 back face, then 5th side face, and one more 6th is another side face. So there are 6 flat faces, or you can say 6 square faces in a cube. All right. Now, how many vertices are there? Vertices means corners. Vertices means corners. So how many corners are there? We'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. How many corners are there in a cube? In a cube, there are 8 corners, or you can say 8 vertices. Again, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7 and 8. So in a cube, there are 8 corners or 8 vertices. All right, look at me very carefully. Then next is, how many edges are there? Edges is the straight line where two faces meet. Where two faces meet. Okay. So how many edges are there? We'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then downside 5, 6, 7, 8. Then sides 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 edges in a cube. There are 12 edges in a cube. Okay. So cube shape objects are like, we have a rolling dice. We are playing Ludo with it, right? We are using dice. So that is a cube shape object. Then in your book, you can see there is another cube that we are using that cube to play. Now, is there anyone else who can give me any other example of a cube shape object? All its faces are equal. It should be a square face object. Is there anyone who can tell me an example of a cube? Anyone? Yes, children, I'm waiting. Any one of you? Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am, dice.
Dice. Okay, dice is already there. Very good. Dice. That's correct. Any other example? Yes, anyone? Cube shape object. All its sides, all its edges should be equal. Yes, Veda?
Ice.
Ice cube. You should say ice cube. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Yes, Ayan Kuluru, you need to unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
box. Box.
What?
Box.
I didn't get you. What?
Square box.
Which box?
Square box.
But what is that square shaped box is known as? I want name of that object. Yes, Advit Gujja. Yeah, Advit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were raising
Yes, ma'am.
hand. Tell me.
Rubik's.
Huh?
Rubik's cube.
Which cube?
Rubik's cube.
I don't know this cube. Okay, there must be. I don't know, but okay. Sai Ritvik, yes. Yes, Sai Ritvik. Yes.
Card box.
Huh?
Card box.
Which box?
Card box.
I'm not getting you. Which box?
Card box.
Hard box.
Card box. Card box.
Card box. Okay. Maybe. I don't know. Card box must be some other example. Okay, fine. So our cube shape objects will have all its edges equal. Sorry, all its edges equal in length and all its faces equal. Fine. Now next is cuboid. Next shape is cuboid shape object. Now you all are using this cuboid shape object daily. You all are using your notebook, right? You all are using your notebook. So your notebook is an example of a cuboid. Your notebook is an example of a cuboid. So in a cuboid, all its faces are not equal. It has rectangular faces. It has rectangular faces. Yes, Scientific, your notebook is of a cuboid shape object. So it has same properties like cube, but all its faces are not square faces. Its faces are rectangular faces. So we'll start counting its faces now. 1 front face, then 2 back face, then 3 side face, then 4 another side face, then here 5, and then downside 6. So our cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Our cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Now we will count its vertices. Vertices means corners. So how many corners are there? We'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So our cuboid shape object has 8 vertices. It has 8 vertices. And then we'll count the edges. 1, then 2, then this one 3, then 4. Okay, let us come this side. Then we have here 5, then 6, this one 7, then 8, 9, then this one 10, 11, and 12. So a cuboid shape object has 12 edges. A cuboid shape object will have 12 edges. You can see your book also. Your book is also a cuboid shape object. Your book is also a cuboid shape object, right? Then we have mobile phones. It is also a cuboid shape object. Mobile phone is also a cuboid shape object. Then, okay, your pencil box. You are using your pencil box daily, right? So it is also a cuboid shape object. And if you will look in your book, you can see brick is an example of a cuboid shape object. Then microwave oven. It is also an example of a cuboid shape object. Now, who will give me few more examples of cuboid shape object? Look around yourself, children. Look around yourself and then give me example of cuboid shape object. There are so many cuboid shape objects inside your room. Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
monitor.
Monitor, okay. Okay, very good. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary.
Laptop.
Huh?
Ma'am, laptop.
Laptop, okay, very good. That's very good. Yes, Tanvi Sri.
Table.
Huh? Table. Did you say table, Tanvi Sri? Tanvi Sri, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Ayan Kuluru.
Ma'am, book. Book.
Book already done. I told you book. Any other example?
Pillow, ma'am. Pillow.
Huh?
Pillow, ma'am.
Pillow. Okay, that's correct. Arhan Mohammed, yes. Yes, Arhan Mohammed.
Fridge.
Fridge. Okay, very good. That's correct. Yes, Ashrita.
Ma'am, computer.
Computer. Okay, so that's monitor, CPU. Which one? Okay, Hanvit. Yes, Hanvit. Yeah, Hanvit. Hanvit, you were raising your hand. Tell me the answer quickly.
Door.
Huh?
Speaker. Speaker, door.
Door. Okay, door is correct. Okay, Siddharth Punati, yes.
Ma'am, ice cubes.
Huh?
Ice cubes.
Wrong. Ice cube is an example of a cube shape object. All its faces are equal. That's wrong. No. Yes, Ketan.
TV, ma'am.
TV. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Yes, Tanvisri, unmute yourself. Yes, Tanvisri. Tanvisri, you need to unmute yourself.
TV.
TV. Okay, done. Already done, but that's correct. Okay. Yes. Yes, Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik, quickly. Yes, Veda.
Building.
Building. Okay, that's good. Very good. That's correct. Yes, Anshul Raj. Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ice.
Ice?
Yes.
No. Then you should tell me which kind of ice. Okay. So very good. You all tried very well. So these are few examples. These were few examples of cuboid shape object. Okay. Yes, Akshara.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to tell the answer.
Yes, then please tell.
Board.
What?
Board.
Board.
Mm.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am, sharpener.
Sharpener. Okay, very good. Your sharpener, your eraser, all these are examples of cuboid shape object. Okay, very good. Now, children, next we'll move to another shape. Fine. Now your next shape is cone. Next shape is cone. So a cone has, okay, I don't have birthday cap here. So I have this funnel. I'll use this to explain cone. Okay, this is also an example of a cone shape object. So a cone has one flat face. So this is one flat face of a cone. A cone has one flat face. This is the flat face of a cone. Okay, Ketan, pay attention. This is the flat face of a cone. So a cone has one flat surface. Okay, this is the flat surface of a cone, right? And it has one pointed end. It has one pointed end. You can see this one. This is known as vertex. So a cone has only one vertex. A cone has only one vertex. Okay, and it has one curved surface. It has one curved surface. Okay, I have this funnel. It doesn't have curved surface, but generally a cone has curved surface. Okay, and that's why there is only one edge. I'll move my finger. So this is the edge of a cone shape object. So there is only one edge, one vertex in a cone, and one curved surface. One curved surface. Okay. So like your birthday cap you are wearing on your birthday, it's an example of a cone. Okay. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am,
Yes.
pyramid.
Pyramid. Okay, that's very good. It's an example of a cone shape object. Very good. Yes. Yes, Ayan. Kuluru, unmute yourself. Yeah. Yes, Ayan. Tell. Ayan, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am, ice cream cone, ma'am.
What?
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream cone. Very good. That's very good. Yes, Ansel Raj. Yes, Ansel Raj.
Chef cone.
Which cone?
Chef cone.
Chef cone. What's that? What's chef cone now? Yes, Veda.
Ma'am,
Yes.
cone. Mehendi cone.
Mehendi cone. Okay, very good. That's very good. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you give me any one example of cone shape object? Yes, Arohi. Okay, fine. You don't want to tell. Yes, Brinda.
Birthday cap.
Birthday cap. Okay, already done, but very good. You tried. That's correct. Yes, Tanvishree. Yes, Tanvishree.
Birthday cap.
Birthday cap. Okay, that's correct. But it's already done. Okay. Yes, children. Very, very good. Well tried. So what you have to do, you can just look around yourself and you will find many objects of these shape. Now our next shape is cylinder. Next shape is cylinder. So a cylinder is a solid object. A cylinder is a solid shape, right? A cylinder is a solid shape. Veda, do you have any doubt? Just nod your head and tell me. Do you have any doubt? What?
No.
Veda, do you have any doubt?
I will say cylinder object.
No, first let me
No.
explain. No, let me explain first, okay, later on. Yes, I repeat. Any doubt is there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
candy.
What?
Sand is the cylinder shape.
Don't tell me now. First, let me tell the properties of this shape object and then. Okay. So a cylinder, I have this cocoa powder box in my hand. So it's a cylinder shape. It's a cylinder shape object. Now we will learn about the properties of a cylinder through this box. Okay. So a cylinder is a solid shape and it has two flat faces. Two flat faces. No, nobody will use raise hand option now. You will not tell now. Let me explain. Ayan Kuluru, hands down. So it has two flat faces. Two flat faces. How? See, I have this object in my hand. I have this cocoa powder box in my hand. So two flat faces are 1 and 2. You can see this top face and bottom face. These two are the flat faces of a cylinder. These are the two flat faces of a cylinder. Top face and bottom face. These are the two flat faces of a cylinder. Now, how many edges are there? There are two edges in a cylinder. There are two edges in a cylinder. Let us count. This is your first edge at the top, 1, and then at the bottom, 2. So a cylinder has two edges, top side 1 and down side another 1. So a cylinder has two flat faces and two edges. But you will not find any corners, any vertices in a cylinder. Is there any vertices in this object? No, there are no edges, or sorry, there are no vertices in a cylinder. There are no vertices in a cylinder. And one more thing is there, a cylinder has one curved face. Can you see this one where I am holding this? I am holding this container in my hand. This is known as the flat face of a cylinder. This is known as the flat face of a cylinder. Like I have this glass in my hand. I have this, look at me carefully. I have this glass in my hand. This is also a cylinder shaped object. It has two flat faces, one at the top and another at the bottom. It has two flat faces, one at the top, another at the bottom. Similarly, it has two edges, 1 and 2. It has two edges. And from where we are holding this glass, this is known as the curved face. From where I am holding this glass, this is known as the curved face. So a cylinder has one curved face. Okay. Now, a glass or this cocoa powder box, this is a cylinder shaped object. Candle is also a cylinder shaped object. Now you have to tell me few examples of cylinder shaped object. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary.
Ma'am, gas cylinder.
Gas cylinder, okay, that's correct. Yes, Sai Ritvik.
Have about a candy.
Candy, okay, that's correct. Yes, Ayan Puluru, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ma'am, bottle, ma'am. Bottle.
Bottle, okay, very good. Bottle is also an example of a cylinder. Yes, Ansel Raj. Ansel, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Glass.
Class already done. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Nothing, ma'am.
Then why did you use raise hand option? Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Stem.
What?
Stem.
Huh?
Fat stem.
Ayansh, I didn't get you. Please repeat.
Stem.
Stem. Plant stem.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, that's correct. Yes, Tanvishri.
I see a bottle, ma'am.
Huh?
I see a bottle, ma'am.
I
I see a bottle, ma'am.
She said syrup bottle, madam.
syrup
Medicine.
bottle. Oh, a syrup bottle. Okay. That's correct. That's correct. Okay. Syrup bottle. Yes. Yes, Siddharth.
Cool drink cans.
Huh?
Cool drink cans.
Okay. Cold drink can. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Advait.
Pipe.
Yes, Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were raising hand. Tell me the answer.
Oil tank.
Then tell, I'm waiting.
Oil tank.
Oil tank. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Siddharth.
Battery.
Battery. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Tanvishri.
Ma'am, my water box.
What?
Ma'am, my water box.
Powder box, ma'am.
Powder. Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Okay, talcum powder. Yeah, okay. That's correct. Yes, I Ritvik.
Ma'am, cells.
Self. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am, this
Okay. Okay, that's correct. Okay, very good, Siddharth. Well tried. That's correct answer. Okay. Yes, Bhavashwit.
Drum.
What?
Drum.
I didn't get you.
Drum.
Trunk.
Yeah.
Trunk. Okay. Trunk. Yeah, okay. That's correct. Okay, so now enough of examples. That's very good. You all tried very well. Now next, our last shape is sphere. Our last shape is sphere. So a sphere is a solid shape. It has only one curved surface. A sphere has only, okay, I have this lemon in my hand. So it's a sphere shape object. I have this lemon in my hand. It's a sphere shape object, right? It has one curved surface. It has one curved surface, you all can see, and there is no edge and no vertex. There is no edge and no vertex. This means there is no corner, right? So like I have this lemon in my hand. This is an example of a sphere shape object, right? We have football. That is also an example of a sphere shape object. Cricket ball. Then we have onions at our home. This is also an example of a sphere shape object. Similarly, there are many fruits and many vegetables. Those were example of a sphere shape object. Now you have to give me few examples. Yes, Ayansh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Earth.
Earth. Okay. That's correct. Yes, I Ritvik, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Ball.
Ball. Okay. That's correct. Yes, Ayan Kuluru, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, orange and apple.
Orange and apple. Very good. Okay. Next, Ansel Raj, unmute yourself. Yeah. Quickly. Ansel, you need. Yeah. Yes, tell quickly.
Circle.
Wrong. That's wrong. Yes, Brinda Raj. Brinda, you need to unmute yourself and tell me quickly.
Unmute Gavakin. Laddu.
Laddu, okay, very good. That's correct. Laddu is a spherical shape object. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am,
Yes.
nail polish.
No. Not nail polish. Tanvisri, yes. Unmute yourself.
Orange, ma'am.
Orange, okay, that's correct. Orange. Yes, Ashrita. Yes, Ashrita. Ashrita,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me the answer. You were raising hand.
Eyeball.
Eyeball. Okay. Yes, Akshara.
Ma'am, football.
Football, okay, that's correct. Yes, Advait Gujjar.
Planet.
Planets. Okay. Yes, Siddharth Punati, unmute yourself.
Marbles.
Marbles, okay, that's correct. Yes, Ayan Puluru, unmute yourself.
Grapes.
Grapes, okay, that's correct. Yes, Hanvit. Yeah, Hanvit. Hanvit, you have used raised hand option. Where are you?
I'm here, ma'am.
Then why you are not telling me the answer? Quickly, other children are waiting.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Okay, that's correct. Black pepper. Yes, Bhanu.
Earth.
Earth. Okay, that's correct. Let's see correct answer. Yes, Arhan. Yes, Arhan.
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay, that's correct. Tomato. That's the correct answer. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary.
Ma'am, football.
Football. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Veda.
Gargle.
What?
Gargles.
I didn't get you. What?
Gargles.
What is gorgles?
Pets, ma'am.
No, that's wrong. No. Yes, Brinda.
Bangle.
Huh? Bangles. Okay, okay, very good. That's correct. Yes, Ansel Raj. Ansel Raj.
Grapes.
What?
Grape.
Grapes. Okay, that's correct. Yes, I Ritvik.
Ma'am,
Yes.
bangle.
Bangles. Okay, bangles already done, and that's the correct answer. Yes, Veda.
Ma'am, circle shape of eraser.
Okay, that's correct. Yes, Tanvi Sri.
Biscuits, ma'am.
Biscuits. Okay. Okay, enough for today. Now we'll move to exercise. You can lower your hands now. Okay. So these are few examples. Okay, now children, take out your math course book. Take out your math course book, children. I'll tell you the page number. Take out your math course book. So we have to read the given instructions, and according to that, we have to find out which shape is this. Okay? We have to read the given instructions, and then we have to try to identify which shape is this. And that's the reason I was explaining you how to see how many vertices are there, how many edges are there, everything. Is there anyone who can tell me what is the page number? I am unable to find out. Yes, children, this is in your course book. Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am, page number 16.
Page number 16. Thank you so much. Yes, children, so open page number 1616 of your math course book. Write date and classwork on page number 16. Page number 16, children, quickly. Yes, Advait Gujjar. Sorry, Ansel Raj, yes.
Which page?
Page number 16. Open that page, write date and classwork, children, quickly. Okay, so I'll read question for you. First one is, I have one curved surface, one flat surface, one edge, and one vertex. Which shape? Who can tell me? I have one curved face, I have one curved surface, one flat surface, one edge, and one vertex. Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sphere.
No, sphere has no vertex, Ayansh. Yes, Siddharth.
Cone.
Very good. Answer is cone, children, because a cone has one vertex, one edge, one curved surface, and one flat face. So answer is C-O-N-E. cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, now next one, second bit. I have 6 square faces, 12 sides and 8 vertices. Who am I? I have 6 square faces, 12 sides and 8 vertices. Who am I? Which